All right, I ordered those longer screws that I needed, and in the meantime, while I'm waiting for those to get here, I wanted to stay busy, and I went ahead and got the front upper and lower links on in the front here, and looking good. I love it, I love it, I love it. Man, that's looking good up front there. Also, what I decided to do is put some longer shocks on here. I want to go with some longer shocks, front and rear, and we get those on right now as well to stay busy while I wait for those screws to get here. All right, cool, here we go. Okay, so I decided to just do the longer shocks in the front of this guy for now. And I think that's looking really nice, looking really good. Man, I love it, I love it, I love it. Look at that, man, that's cool. Very nice, very nice. I am loving how this is coming together. And I'm still waiting on those screws, so what I'll do, I think for now, in the meantime, is let's mount the transmission in here. That way I can see what size drive shafts I'm going to need for this guy. Man, is this looking good. I'm loving it. It's just too cool. This is going to be a lot of fun. All right, cool. Okay, so this shouldn't be too bad getting this transmission in here. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's get the holes lined up underneath here. This is going to be the transmission that I'm using for in here. You can take a look there. And let's see. So I got to somehow hold these two together. 4 screws. I want to get this transmission in here so that I can see what size, what length drive shafts I need. Okay, so it's just kind of sitting in there at the moment. I'm tired of my thumb. I want to slide a little bit, and all right, so let's see where we're at there. Okay, so it slides a little bit. Okay, so cool. So that's in there, but not all the way attached. Not, all the way screwed down. This way here, I can see what length drive shafts I'm going to need. Cool. Awesome. Look at that flex. I'm excited about that. All right, cool. Let's see what size drive shafts we need. Okay, so I ordered the drive shafts. So now let's get the steering servo mount on. I'm still waiting for some screws, but I can at least get it partially mounted and the servo mounted on the front. Yay, let's do it. All right, I got the servo on. Looking good. Man, that looks good. This has been a lot of fun. I think this is looking amazing. Very cool. So there we go. We got the servo, the steering servo on in the front there. Next up will be the drive shafts and the motor. Drive shaft and motor. Good stuff. So the servo's on, steering servo is on, and we got some shocks on today. Looking good, looking good, and yeah, cool. Man, this thing is looking good. I love how this is coming together. Having fun with this, having a blast. So this is going to be really cool. Okay, so next up will be drive shafts and the motor, and this is where we'll take a break, and I will see you on the next build video. This has been a blast. Looking really good. Thanks for watching. Good stuff.